This video is on port spanning or port mirroring. Let's talk about how port mirroring works. When you configure a switch, you can reserve a port to mirror all traffic that passes through that reserved port and configure it so that copied data gets sent on specific ports or VLANs to network monitoring tools. Cisco calls it Switch Port Analyzer, which is the same thing. It's just the Cisco way of handling port mirroring. They offer Remote Switch Port Analyzer, allowing span ports on remote switches to be brought back across the network to span port of the primary switch to which the tool is attached. This way, when a switch processes a packet, it makes a copy, sends it to that port automatically. This is ultimately done to monitor traffic on that switch and everything connected to that switch. This is different from a network tap, which is a device that lies between two devices on a line and allows you to directly access and monitor the network traffic. Tap, or traffic access point, has minimum of 4 ports. 2 network ports connect to the link endpoints and provides a non-intrusive pass-through for data traffic, and 2 monitor ports hand off copies of the link traffic to the monitoring tools. A simple duplex tap hands off copies of the data coming from one endpoint device out the first monitor port and copies from the other endpoint device out the second monitor port. While port mirroring is the cheaper alternative and quicker to set up, it's just not very practical. This is because Switch treats each mirror packet as a lower priority compared to normal network traffic. This means that when traffic load gets heavy, Switch will drop mirror packets first, which beats the purpose of monitoring. Also, unlike port mirroring, taps are invisible to the network. If the traffic on a specific link is hacked, the tap still provides 100% visibility to the security tool, making it the better choice. For port mirroring to be somewhat effective, you have to know your environment, know how to filter properly so you don't overcapture, and have to check logs frequently.